When it comes to making a girl obsessed with you, there really is no easy answer. There will be a lot of trial and error before you figure out which tips and expert pointers will drive the girls gaga over you. Many men are just plain clueless when it comes to socializing with women, and others seem to hit the nail on the head repeatedly. The obvious factors that draw women in are financial wealth and, of course, your physical, sexy appearance. These two factors don't have very strong credentials, but they do make women obsessed. What's important is that you understand these aren't the only factors that draw women in. A man that's kind and caring, shy, or one that just has a great personality are also in the hunt for making women obsessed. Here are both logical and scientific findings to give you the best of the best when it comes to drawing women into your world and wanting more. 1. Mystery needs to be floating through the air. There are relationship experts who say you should always play hard to get. Others believe that's just a waste of time. So, let's have a look at what science says. Scientific studies say you should play a little hard to get because it does make women want you more. What you are looking to do is find that perfect balance so that you don't deter her, but still leave enough unsaid to make her interested. To add to this, if you can keep a girl in the dark just enough that she doesn't truly know how you feel about her, then the ball's totally in your court. Find your balance and don't be afraid of a little mystery. 2. Relax and don't stress. Stress kills everything, so it's important that you chill if you are trying to make a girl obsessed with you. Research shows women in general are attracted more to relaxed, calm men. Work on handling yourself better in stressful situations so that you appear calm even if you're not. On top of that, girls like a man that has a relaxed look on his face and isn't smiling 24/7. Work on that and you're setting yourself up for success with the women. 3. Get funny fast. Ever wonder why the dorky guy ends up with the beautiful woman? The main reason is likely because he makes her laugh, and laughter is the best medicine. There isn't any scientific evidence for this one, but the proof is in the pudding. It's just nice to be around people that will make you crack a smile. It feels good to relax and laugh, and when you are with someone that can relieve the tension by simply telling a good joke, then you've got a man that's worth a second glance. Just don't take this too far, because if you do, you'll seem fake and this will send the girl running for the hills. So make sure you practice your funny, but understand there is a time and place. 4. Nail the look. It's true, looks aren't everything, but they are important. If you think wearing ripped shorts and a stained t-shirt with a 30-year-old baseball cap is going to attract girls, you better think again. Now don't go crazy here, because you don't have to get dressed up all the time either. But it is nice to see you putting a little bit of effort into your look from time to time. Scientific studies show that women respond better to men of authority, and this includes dressing nice. And don't kid yourself, because a fitted suit is just plain sexy if you're willing to go the extra mile. 5. Intelligence is VIP. This one goes without saying. However, in our crazy tech world of less and less human interaction, this pointer might be harder to nail. So many people hide behind their computers and phones that it's often difficult for people to have an intelligent conversation. It's definitely more difficult for people to express themselves. And if you don't know how to talk and at least text efficiently, you're going to put a wedge between yourself and women. Girls have and always will prefer a man that has intelligence and knows how to hold a conversation. Yes, the bad boy will always be loved too, but if you want the longer-term door left open, you better get smart fast. 6. Focus forward with goals. If you are serious about learning how to make a girl obsessed with you, then you need to have drive and goals. Tossing in a little passion is never a bad thing. Women like a man that knows where he is going in life and isn't afraid to step out of his comfort zone to reach his goals. A man with vision is going to capture the attention of girls, and if you are easygoing, yet dedicated and work hard to achieve your goals, the girls will come. Think back to the basics, where men were the providers and women were the ones raising the children and taking care of the house. This principle remains true today, because if you can't show a woman, at least on some level, that you can be responsible and accomplished, then you aren't going to make any girl obsessed with you. 7. Be sincere and thoughtful. Girls like a boy that shows he's thinking about her. If a girl happens to love the opera and you get her ticket to one, then you're showing her you are thoughtful and kind. A man that shows up to the door with flowers just because, and he even brings her favorite kind. He's showing the girl that he is listening and simply enjoys seeing her smile. That's just magical any way you look at it. When you show her you are thoughtful and kind, how can she not fall head over heels for you? Now let's look at the psychology behind making a girl fall crazy head over heels for you. Too bad so many guys have a tough time understanding how the mind of a girl functions. It sure would be easier if you knew what was in her head. So here are a few tips to help you figure out what she's thinking, so you can make her crazy obsessed with you. 8. Let her know she's unique. When you let her know she's unique, you are going to pique her curiosity. Everyone wants to feel special, right? Don't tell her specifically what it is. Just give her enough to go on to get her brain working to try and find that special connection with you. 9. Learn how to use reverse psychology. This just means give them the opposite of what they are expecting or what they want. So if you put the girl you like back into the friend zone when she's wanting more, you are going to trigger her, want to get you that much more. Do this, and you increase your man value, and she is going to want you just like she wants that limited edition purse. 10. Hold the sexy stare. There is just something super sexy about a guy staring at you, kind of like you're the only girl on the planet. Men that master this skill have no problem landing the ladies because they reek of confidence and know how to trigger the nervous card by making women feel like they are looking right into their soul. Keep in mind, you don't want to go too far with this one because you just might come across as rude. When you master this tactic, you will have no issues picking and choosing the girls you want to be obsessed with you. When a guy is looking to figure out how to make a girl obsessed with him, there is no direct, easy route. Every girl is different, and that's why it's so important for you to have at least a couple strategies in your back pocket. If one doesn't work, just try another. Practice makes perfect, and if you stick with these tips and expert pointers, you will be that guy all the girls are head over heels for. Don't quit, and best of luck.